Great, so thank you all for coming here. I'm really thrilled to be here, really enjoying the city of Berlin. I've actually learned a lot of things since I've come here. I've learned that there's a frog that climbs a small ladder to tell you what the weather is going to be, which is called a Wetterfrosch. I've learned that in Berlin, the famous Berliner jelly donut is actually not called a Berliner in Berlin, it's called a Berliner elsewhere. And I've also learned that there's a crocodile, a small crocodile called Schnappi, that has a song about it. So all these things are things I encourage you to explore in Berlin and more. I certainly enjoyed learning all about those three. So I'm here to talk a bit about partners and the partner ecosystem. I'm Paul Treichler, I'm the head of partners. I'm joined by three other very talented, wonderful people, Killian, Julia, and Vincenzo. They're also here. If you guys could stand up and wave quickly, that would be great. And the four of us essentially work with, thank you, essentially work with all the partners in our ecosystem. So the other thing that I learned coming to Berlin is how diverse and interesting and talented the partner ecosystem is. So our partner ecosystem consists of many different types of consultancies, training partners, and other companies that can help as you're actually trying to do things with data science. And I encourage you to meet some of them as you're here. We'll talk about that in a minute. So first, just to give you a sense of what we view our mission as the partner team at KNIME, it's really to create a diverse global ecosystem of capable partners who leverage KNIME software to solve customer problems with highly specialized knowledge across verticals and use cases. So these are the people that are here to help you and that you can rely upon to help accelerate the things you're doing with data science within your organization. And it's our mission to build that ecosystem along with our partners. So how are we building the partner ecosystem? So the first thing that we're doing is we're quadrupling investment in the partners for 2019. The four faces that you saw on the previous slide was one face last year. It was Killian, so we really are putting a lot more into that, both in Europe and the US, and supporting a global partner network. The next thing that we're doing is yesterday we launched a new partner program to provide additional benefits, sales, marketing, and technical support for partners so that our partners can learn more faster and address the needs of our customer ecosystem. If you have partners that you work with and you think should be partners with us, please come to the partner team and we'd be happy to help them learn more about KNIME and become as good as they can be. We also are investing to enable the partners that you care about. So a lot of the training and content that you saw in Rosaria's presentation, along with a large set of other content, is being created and will continue to be created to make sure that, that the partners that you care about in your business are also the ones that we are investing in and making successful using KNIME. The other thing that we're doing is making the incredible work that people in this room are doing more visible outside of this room. So this is about innovation notes, case studies, and really telling people about how awesome KNIME is. This is a very vibrant community. I mean, you can tell by the people and the energy in this room. This is an incredible ecosystem of people thinking about and solving different problems, along with our partners as well. And we want to talk about that as much as we can and let people know the great stuff that's being done with KNIME. And we encourage you to let us know, or your partners to let us know, when there's something that other people may benefit from or learn from. And also, we're encouraging our customers to work with the many capable partners that we have invested in and have invested in the KNIME ecosystem. So within KNIME, there's a very large open source component as well, and the partners that we work with contribute to that ecosystem in many different ways, in blog posts, in learning, and nodes, and workflows, and also commercial extensions. And so what we want to do is help foster that community, and we encourage you definitely to work with the partners that are here, and we'll talk a little about who some of them are. So there are more than 40 partners here at Summit, which is fantastic. This is really a nice cross-section of our global partner ecosystem. And there are more than are on this slide, but this is almost all of them. And so actually, it would be great if you're a partner and you're here, if you could quickly stand up just to recognize you guys. And I want to give you a hand for being here and for supporting our customers. So thanks to our partners. Thank you. In addition to those 40 partners that are here, 18 of them are exhibiting, so we have tables that we have downstairs. We encourage you to stop by, understand kind of what each of those partners is here talking about and doing with KNIME. And we also have 5 partners that are co-presenting with customers here. So you hear some really fantastic stories that not only include what the customers are doing, but how they got there, including their own resources and alongside partners. So that's all I have for the partner side. If you have any case studies, partners we should be talking to, or anything you want to talk about related to partners, Vincenzo, Killian, Julie, and I will be around for the rest of the week. Thanks so much.